I am Ike from Davao. I am visually impaired due to post-meningitis optic atrophy. I used to be active in my career and work in a retail corporate setup, earning master's degree of business administration and loves to travel. But in a blink of an eye, ang lahat ng iyon ay nawala, and I was stuck in the four corners of our house. I asked God, what is the purpose of my existence and what will be my vocation? Since I started feeling irrelevant, left behind, and out of circulation in the society. But despite all of these hardships and questions, I am Ike, a loving son, a faithful Catholic, and an active member of MFC community. At kakapit ako sa pag-asa.